Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can make your videos look more cinematic in CapCut. So you are going to go and select your video, so like click on the clip, select speed and select curve. You are then going to add this montage speed curve. Select edit and make these two dots a little bit closer, like so. And then you are just going to select the better quality one. And then select the checkmark button to apply the slow motion to the video. And that's it. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!